and welcome to this tech tip from CESA 2. Today's tutorial is going to be on My Maps, interactive maps you can create on Google and you can share with your students. So I just Googled My Google Maps and it takes me to My Maps, which is a little bit different than Google Maps, maps.google.com, where you're getting directions. Although you can get there under the hamburger menu, you can go to Your Places and go to Maps and then see all your maps, which would take you here as well. Or you can just Google and then star this and bookmark it. But when you get to this dashboard, you can click Create a New Map. And when you click this button that says Create a New Map, you can name it, let's say History Class, right? Or Geography Class. And then you can add a description about the map for your students. You could even add directions here for them to read, and you can add as many directions for the steps you want them to follow. So then you can hit save. So I'm going to say directions here, and then save, and they can read them up here. Now you're going to see different layers. Now these layers could be my different hours, so like my hour 1 class. And then I can make add another layer and call it my hour 2 class, right? And click that and say hour 2, and then all their data will be stored, and all your students who add to this map, they will be stored under here, and I can hide them, and then they're push pins. All they're going to do is click a pin and put it on the Capitol or wherever they want to put it, and then they will put their name under point, and then they can put their information, and they could even add a picture or an image or a video about that place. When you click that, you can just do a search on YouTube or a Google image search, and they can put that into their map. Now the other cool thing is that under here I can click on this, and I can say open data table, and then all their information will be in this data table that I can copy and paste out or export out. And I can add columns. So I could say I want to insert a column here after, and I could say historical figures. So I could say historical figures, and then when they click on their push pin and go to put it somewhere, it's going to ask them to fill in that information. I could put links to historical events, or I could say insert all the information you know about the animals and plants that are native to that region. So this is a really cool learning activity, a classroom activity you can use for your students. And then when you're all done, you're going to click on this, you're going to click share, and then you want to make sure anyone can view, and then you're going to share it on your drive. It's kind of nice, because then when you can copy this out and paste it into your LMS or on Google Classroom, or you can click on here, share it in your drive, and then you can change you're going to change it to anyone can edit, and then say done, and then it saves it to your drive. So if I go to my drive, you're going to see this map, this history class map is here, and I can share it out from there in Google Classroom or wherever. So really cool interactive maps with Google. Hope you like it. If you want to know some more about it, just shoot me an email.